As we all know, there's a lot of people around the entire globe that are strongly impacted by this current virus that is going around, and that includes businesses, specifically plant businesses and nurseries. Rayne just created an initiative called PlantOneForward, where she's asking people to simply buy a plant from a local nursery that you love and send it to somebody who's been impacted by this. We all must know somebody, whether it be a close relative or a friend, that is going to be impacted by this in one way or another. So this initiative is all about supporting small businesses by buying these plants for those who are in need. I definitely know that my day is always brightened up by receiving a new plant, so please let's do the same thing for other people who are just hurting in this time of need. I know some people who own some small plant shops, and they've actually had to resort to posting pictures of their plants on Facebook in order to sell them, because nobody's out on the streets. Nobody is out in these stores buying the plants like they would be, especially at this time of the year. So the more we can help support these small businesses and growers, the better it's gonna be for them in the long run. And I think it's really important that we keep these plant shops up and running with our support. Please, 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 guys, make sure you share this message with other people that you know so they can take part in this initiative as well. That way the numbers will exponentially grow and we could really make some big impact on small plant businesses around this country and the world. For more details, you can go to Summer's Instagram. I will have a link in the description below. That way you guys can take part in every way possible. I know things are hard right now during these uncertain times. There's a lot of people unsure about what's going to happen in their lives and whether or not they're even gonna have a job come next week. There's so many unanswered questions that are all up in the air. We just have really no idea at this point what's gonna happen. So we just need to stay strong. We've got to keep on loving our plants and loving our people like we always do. I want to thank you guys all so much for tuning in. Happy gardening, and we'll see you in the next video.